Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to put your VSCO in your Instagram bio. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. So first of all, you will need to copy the link. So here's the YouTube video. I want to add this video link to my Instagram bio, so I'm clicking on share and copying the video link, and I'm going to opening my Instagram, and I'm opening my profile and tapping on edit profile, and here we can see an option website. So all you have to need, just paste here the VSCO link into website section and tap on done, and here we can see the link has been successfully added. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching.